Welcome to my AIDOL Studio review. As you can see, when you log in, this is the screen that you are created with. Once you click on that plus icon, it will take you directly to the editor and there will be nothing. You will have to start from scratch. So that's called the blank canvas. And if you select the templates, as you can see, these are the options that's available. Not much, but it's something to start your video editing with. And the another option that we have is text to video, where you can just give a heading and copy paste your script and it will create scenes automatically and select the images as well in the background. So if you have like a PDF file or a PPT presentation and that you can convert to PDF and upload it here, and all the pages will be set as background if you select this option. And for this AI script generator, you can just type in a query or topic and it will generate the script for you. As you can see, I just typed in 10 ways to make money online and it gave me a script. And the next option is to select an avatar. From this option, you can select one avatar that you like and it will start the process of converting your script into audio and will select images that's relevant to your script. And as you can see, everything is done. The whole script is set up, but as you can see, not all the images might be relevant, so you have to go in and make some final edits before you can publish it. As you can see, it has got like a really powerful editor which is layer based, so you can see what are where, and you have the option to add background music there. And you can see the different layers. You can hide and lock the different layers as you would in your normal video editor. This is one of the main functionalities that I like. As you can see, if you hide that layer, the avatar will be invisible, and if you unhide it, and he'll come back again. So you can also lock that layer if you are making changes and don't want to move anything. That's where you add the transition. You just click on that icon and you have many options for transition as well. So mainly we'll be spending our time in this area where we can add the scripts and actions. So this is the main focus. So if you preview it, as you can see, you cannot see the lip sync. The lip sync is only available once the video is exported. So you have everything else that you can work with and actually preview how the final output will look like. So that's the only downside of it. I'm just deselecting that transition that we selected earlier. If you want, you can add different avatars to different scenes as well. So if I want this avatar, I can just click on it and it will be replaced with this avatar. As you can see, you can drag and drop it anywhere you like, and it's a full body avatar, so you can also use the full body as well if you like. And the size can be enlarged and shrinked as well. So once you are happy with the placement, you can move on to the other areas as well. If you want to hide the avatar, you can do that from there as well. So that's also an additional option. And if you look at the languages, you have like lot of languages, that too with different accents. And as you can see, you have the same language for different countries. So that's really good to have. So I have no complaints with the language selection over there. And you can also select the gender. It's locked because we have already selected a male avatar. Now let's select a female avatar.
Welcome to Pantheon Lab.
Welcome to Pantheon Lab.
Welcome to Pantheon Lab.
Now let's select a male avatar and preview the voice as well.
Welcome to Pantheon Lab.
Welcome to Pantheon Lab. Welcome to
So those are some of the voices.
There are 10 common ways listed to earn money online.
You can also adjust the speed. You can adjust it up to 1.2. So moving that slider, let's see how it will sound like once the speed is increased.
There are 10 common ways listed to earn money online.
So that's how you increase the speed, and you can also play around with pitch as well.
There are 10 common ways listed to earn money online.
So these are some of the unique features for this product. And now let's reset the pitch to the normal levels. And now let's see how we can add break time. Break time is like you can adjust it like seconds before the next action. The maximum allowed limit is like 5 seconds. So you can also add another script there as well in the same scene. That is helpful if you want to add some actions in between. So I'm now just deleting it. For me, actions was the most important reason why I chose to buy this product, because when you do a presentation or something like that, having specific actions will always help to make it look more engaging. And for different avatars, there will be like different actions, and once you select an action, you need to click on that generate button to actually preview it, otherwise you won't see it. As you can see on top of that voice layer, you can see that there is that action selected. So that's how you preview it. Now let's look at some of the settings for subtitles and the text. And as you can see, can enable or disable subtitle. This is just for the scene. And if you want to actually change the text fonts, you can do that here as well. As you can see, there are many fonts that you can play with, and you can increase the font size just like that. Can adjust the line height and letter spacing, and if you want, you can change the color of the text just like that. And you can increase or decrease the opacity, and you also have the option to change the background color. So if you want to apply these changes to the whole video, you can do that. So this is like a global setting, and you can adjust the volume of your voiceover or text to speech here itself. So those are some of the options that's available here. You can also change your project name just by clicking on that pencil icon, and when you click on that design, you get access to all the pre-made templates that's available with this software. As you can see, these are the options that's available. If you just click on it, it will expand all the inner layers of this template, and if you just click on it again, it will be added to our canvas as a new scene. And you can further edit this template by just clicking on the canvas. To edit, you can just double click on it, and it will open up the relevant settings for the design. So you can see, you can always change the fonts from there itself, and you can drag and drop it anywhere you like, and you can also delete it by just clicking on that cross icon. And there also you can adjust the letter spacing and do all the text edit. Everything in that template is highly customizable, and that's the kind of flexibility that you get with this video editing. If you go to the scene and click on that 3 dots, you have more options to duplicate, add a new scene, save this as a favorite layout, and also delete option is available. If you save it as a favorite, you can access it in the future projects. So it's always helpful if you design something and you want to keep using it on all the future projects, you can use this functionality. If you want to delete it, you can just use that delete button. Also, there is also one more way to save it, and as you can see, there is a save button there that will also add your favorite layout there. So just click on that 3 dots and you can delete it. So if you want to delete this scene, you can delete the scene just like that. Now if you want to change the background, it's easy. Just click on that background image, and as you can see on the right, the media settings are now available. So you can just drag and drop it there and adjust the position. and if you want you can just click on that replace media button and you can select videos. Just click on it and it will load the video in the background, and you can just add the keyword there, and it will fetch the relevant videos from the media library. So just clicking on it will change the video that you like. And you also have the option to add images as well. So as you can see, since we have the keyword money, it's showing all the related medias. You also get GIF options as well. So just clicking on it, add another layer on top for the GIF. So that's how it will look. So we have like 3 layer, one image at the bottom, and above that a video, and now a GIF. And if on top you can also add stickers as well. You can also adjust and drag and drop that and adjust the position the way you like. If you want to change the background color to a static color, you can do that as well. I'll select the next scene to demonstrate it. So in order to add that static color, you have to actually remove this image. So I just clicked on that cross button and that image is now removed, and we can now select the gradient colors that's available here. So these are the colors that's available. So you can select any color, or you can just upload any screen that you like, and there is like a 50 MB limit, and these are the images that supported. So you can upload from these options. You can also add shapes to this. So if you just click on it, you can just add shapes to your screen. So I just selected an arrow, and as you can see, the arrow is just behind that avatar, and you can place this shape anywhere you like. And if you double click it, you can always adjust the position and details, and you can even change the color as well. So in the detailed area, you can just select the color that you like, and as you can see, the arrow color changed to red. And you can also animate the shape, and these are like in and out animations. You can select the one that you like and set it. So a lot of customization options. You can select the movement and the speed. Even the speed can be adjusted as well. So as you can see, it's moving slowly down. So that's how you adjust the shapes behavior. And this is where you will find all your uploaded video as well. Now let's move to the audio section, where you can apply the background audio. As you can see, they have a lot of collection of background audio here. We can just preview one.
Isn't life so amazing?
So once you find something you like, you can just click on that plus icon, and you can add it as a music or add it as a background music. For this, we'll be adding it as background music, and that's the slider for increasing and decreasing the total timeline length. So you can adjust that as well. If you want to remove, you can go there and remove it. Now let's look at the settings, and you even have the background volume adjusting options here. So since it's a background volume, we can keep it to a low volume, like 10%. You can also preview your background music here. You have the music fade in and fade out options. You can select the start time and end time, and you can trim the video. You can trim the background music just like that, and just clicking on trim will trim that portion. So we have like a lot of customization options here, and if you want, you can upload your own background music here as well. You can also see the file supported there, mp3 wave. And now let's move to branding, which is also really important. You can save your brand settings here. Once you click on it, you have the option to give a name here for your brand settings. So if you have like different brands to manage, you can name it accordingly. And you can also set up your intro and outro sections. You can upload an image or video or GIF. You can also upload a logo for your business. Just click on it and you can select from your desktop the logo that you want. Just click on upload and click local, and you can select the file, and now it's uploaded. You can select that and your logo will be there. And you also have the option to upload your own fonts there, and also you can select the existing fonts. And once everything is set up, you can just click on apply and your brand guidelines will be set up accordingly. And whenever you want to reference it in the future, you can just come here and just select this, and it will apply it to the wall video. And if you want to change the logo position on the screen, you can do that as well. You can just position your logo wherever you like. Just drag and drop it there, or just click on confirm. I'll move it to this side and just click on confirm, and now just click on apply, and it will save that layout for you. As you can see, now the logo is on the left side. So that's really a really handy feature to have, so to position your logo wherever you like. And I think we have completed almost all the features, and now you can just export your file. As you can see, this video is only 1 minute 16 seconds long, and it's still taking 2 minutes credit, so that's an issue with this. And once the video is fully rendered, you will get an email saying that your video is ready for download, just like this. And if you want, you can even translate your video to different languages as well. So that's really a strong point for this software. For this example, I'll just select Spanish, and as you can see, now it's translating there, and the translation is finished. And now let's see.
Hola. En este video, te mostraré cómo puedes crear un increíble video de portavoz de AI como este. Word utiliza los últimos avances en la tecnología.
So as you can see, even the subtitles are translated and the voice is also translated. So it's really simple to translate videos to different languages and to mass produce videos. This is really a great software. And all the fully rendered video will be here in this section called the published projects. You can just click on that published project, and here you can see all the videos that's finished rendering. And if you just click on here, you can even duplicate this project and edit and again start working on it, or you can just click on download and it will start downloading the video. Want to delete it, you can just delete it over here. And once you click on it, you can see the different export options. You can also preview the video here itself, and you have this link that you can share if you have a client or someone to just preview the video. And you can have MP4, MKV, and MOV and WebM formats. All of these formats are available. And if you want to directly download, you can just click on this. If you want to save it to cloud, you can save it to cloud also. And you have the option to download just the subtitles as well. So you can see it's downloaded the SRT file, and if you open it, you can see the SRT file as well. And it is directly integrated to Facebook, and if you want, you can share it to YouTube directly. So overall, like neat set of features. So coming to the conclusion, this is a really good software in terms of like a powerful editor and the functionalities, especially with the translation and Wow, some things that are lagging is like the support is really bad. As you can see, this is just for namesake. Maybe they are just launching. I'm not sure how it will be in the future. So support wise, it's bad, and you don't have the option to actually give your own voice to dub using the AI avatar. That's missing. And other feature, the lip sync is really not up to the mark when you compare it with industry leaders like Synthesia or like PPO, things like that. And also the voice is just okay, not like really good voices. Premium voices are not also not available. These are some of the shortcomings of this, but if you want to get this for a lifetime deal, so as you can see now, this is available for a lifetime deal here for just $19. And for $19, it's actually a steal of a software with its capability for like editing videos and all, and the translation facility is also really great. And now here it says like it's premium media library, not sure about that. And as you can see, for like these are the different option, like you get for $19 you get 10 minutes of video production and one brand settings, and for $49 you get 10 brand settings, and for $149 you get 60 minutes of video and 20 brand settings. So these are the options that's available right now. But if you want to go to their website, let's see, this is like a limited time deal. Once this is over, the pricing will be like for year wise. So it's a great time to get into this software if you are somebody who is serious and looking to mass produce videos, or just looking to create some presentation. This will be like $500 per year, and for a light like 1,500 per year. So a great time to jump in if you want something to automate your video production, mainly if you want for different languages. So that's it. If you liked it, please do like, share, and subscribe for more future videos. And if you want to try this out, I have like this lifetime deal link in the description. You can also check that out. And I'll include the video that I produced after making some small tweaks. Enjoy that, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.
There are 10 common ways listed to earn money online. Blogging can be monetized with Google AdSense, affiliate marketing links, or sponsored content. Selling products on eBay or Amazon can be profitable. Freelancers can offer various services like content writing, graphic designing, web development, or social media management. Online surveys can earn rewards by providing opinions. Being a virtual assistant can provide administrative support to individuals or businesses. Affiliate marketing can earn commission by promoting other people's products and making sales through referral links. Creating and selling online courses on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. Sell digital products such as ebooks, software, or printables on websites like Gumroad or Etsy. Sell photography on platforms like Shutterstock. Creating an online store and selling products through dropshipping can avoid inventory or shipping concerns. Find a niche that is enjoyable and monetize it through one or more of these methods to achieve financial goals.